Hi, my name's Martina Avalos, and I'm a senior lawyer here at the Nieves Law Firm, and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about what happens after preliminary hearing. So, the preliminary hearing often feels like a mini trial, but in reality, it's much different. Because during a preliminary hearing, all the state has to put on is enough evidence to prove to a judge that someone should be bound over, held to answer, be responsible for the charges that the state has brought against them. And that's a very low standard, which is different than reasonable doubt. So, in my experience, there are still a lot of cases that are going to be dismissed or resolved after preliminary hearing. So, after someone is held to answer, the next court date is another arraignment. It's an arraignment on what's called the information. And that's a charging document that contains all of the charges that somebody was held to answer for at the preliminary hearing. There might be less than the original complaint, there might be more. And that's something that an attorney would need to look at to see, are those charges viable? Is there a motion there to ask the judge to take away some of those charges in what's called a 995 motion? So during that time, in addition to motions like 995s or suppression motions or things like that, there's also a lot of other workup that's being done with a mind towards resolution and trial. Because I think a lot of times you need to do both simultaneously. You need to be thinking about, what are the defenses? What witnesses would I need to call? What evidence would I need to present to give this person the best trial possible? But oftentimes, that workup is going to be the exact thing that helps the case get resolved. So resolved can mean a lot of different things. It could mean dismissal, it could mean a plea, it could mean admission into certain kinds of courts, behavioral court, mental health court, drug court, veterans court. So again, this is why having someone to kind of help guide you through that situation can be really useful. As always, please give us a call if you have any questions.